Tech is a superior product. Nothing competes with Tech.
Just the name gives you confidence.
It's an industry standard.
Tech products are the best in the world.
It means confidence, it means quality, it means trust, it means good things.
You feel good selling the customer a quality product.
And as a distributor, that is my main goal.
I've been able to grow the business just by treating people the way you'd like to be treated.
You want to go over the top. You want to give it the very best thing you can do. You want to put a product that you would put in your own car, in your daughter's car, in your wife's car, in your mother's car.
Once somebody uses Tech, they won't switch to anything else.
I started as a tech distributor in October of 2001.
I started 17 years ago.
Started about 5 years ago.
Going on 32 years.
In 1991.
We've been with Tech 15 years now.
Being part of Tech is being part of a family.
We rely on each other and are able to help each other like a family should.
Keeping that small company mentality.
They want you to do the job that you do the best.
We have been successful because of Tech.
I feel honored, really, to be part of the Tech family.
When a company has been around 80 years, that's impressive.
That ups your street cred.
Tech is over the top.
Tech is definitely over the top.
Tech, más allá de la cima.
Tech is over the top.
Tech's over the top.
Tech is over the top.